Here it is, y'all. This is the Quantum Tour 150cc. Just got delivered. That's what it looks like. Got my toolbox right there, course and impact, and these are all my performance upgrade parts. It's a whole box full of them. You know, everything ranging from a 180cc big bore kit upgrade to mirrors to LED lights. Got it all in there. Alrighty, y'all. So I just took off the box, taking a first look at it, and I gotta say it looks really good. I haven't taken it out the frame or nothing like that, but the quality of the shipping and just the way they had it all boxed up and shipped, really high quality, I would say, for sure. This is with the plastics and everything taken off, the bubble wrap, whatever you want to call it. There's a frame right there and the box behind it, as you can see. And I haven't put it together yet, but this is what it comes like out the box. You got the back part, got the lights and the fender right there. Of course, there goes the wheel. Once again, that's my box full of upgraded parts and things such of that nature. This is the actual seat compartment. This is what it looks like. Has some of my information in there, so I'm not gonna go into deep. But yeah, you can obviously the batteries right there. Comes included with a 12-volt 7-amp battery, 7 amp hour. But yeah, I wanted to make a quick little statement about the included mirrors that it comes with. So this is the included mirror that it comes with. As you can see, it's pretty big, pretty beefy, and this is actually one of my upgraded mirrors that I'm gonna be installing. It has turn signal on the mirrors, and it also has turn signal built inside the mirrors. So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. I was inspecting the motorcycle, the moped, whatever you want to call it, scooter, to see if I could see any like visible blemishes, scratches, or anything, paint chips and anything like that. And I can say the only major thing I have discovered so far is that looks like to be an oil leak right there. Maybe it was just tipped on its side or something like that during shipping. Also did see that the shield plate on the exhaust, the muffler, is bent. You can see there's a little dent in there. But I'm not too worried about that. I'm gonna be putting a performance exhaust on it anyway, so I'm not too worried about the muffler. Pretty happy how everything turned out. And also a lot of things with these Chinese scooters is you will see the speedometer. They will come in kilometers per hour instead of miles per hour. And happy to say that mine actually came in miles per hour. So it is, of course, the analog and not the digital gauge. They stopped doing those since I believe 2014. The 2014 models. Let me verify to see exactly what year this is. This is a 2019 model. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna put it together and give my final view of it and show you guys on camera. Alrighty, y'all, this is the Quantum Tour 150cc all put together. Currently have the hazards on right now just to show you the guys the lights, but it's all done, all put together. I put these nice mirrors on it. These are the mirrors I was talking about earlier. And every single light on here is an LED, yes sir. So that is the headlights. They come included with halogen bulbs, but I switched those out for LEDs, and I also switched the wiring up a little bit so I can do the lighting exactly the way I want it. Of course, the The daytime running lights, these are LEDs, comes like that stock, same as the turn signals right here. These mirrors are not stock, once again. Even all the lights in the dash, I switched out the halogen bulbs for LEDs, so that's why it's much brighter, especially in the daytime. Let me show you guys how the light system works. So this is of course the hazard button right here. This is not stock. You can tell these buttons right here, they come yellow on both sides. Those are yellow and actually not black, but I bought this thing off of Amazon, kit full of like little switches that had these perfect. This is actually not stock as well. This is the new switch I put in there so I can do the lights exactly how I want them. So right now, if I turned it to the off position, that means all lights are off. There is nothing on here that is on, and the engine can also start when this is off. See, with the modification I did, if I kept that off, the engine would not be able to start. You can tell it starts, and it means that all the lights are off. That's just the alarm that I have on there. It does that every time I turn it off. But yeah, so we have all the lights off, and of course when I hit the brake, the back lights up. You can't really tell because it's daytime. I also put some LED lights under the bike too as well, to spice it up a little bit. And again, in the daytime, you guys are not gonna be able to see it. The main switch to turn that on and off is actually right here, so I don't think I had that on. I just turned it on now. And that's connected directly to the battery, and this is the little remote that changes the colors, and you can also turn it on and off from this remote as well. The main switch is in there, so you can kind of see the red. It's also under here as well, and of course right there, I'll show you guys in the dark time. I'll come back and do a little view of the bike. But for right now, this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna just turn that off. And you can turn any color too, and they have loads of features. Of course, this is my phone stand. Kind of comes out and you can adjust it, things like that, and very useful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of the unboxing. Not really unboxing, but the little process of the Quantum Tour. There's not much of these videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd make my own when I get it. And yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy.